What if you could predict problems before they happen, test ideas without risk, and design the future without building it first? This is not a scene from science fiction, it's the power of digital twins. These virtual replicas of real-world systems are transforming industries by saving costs, boosting efficiency, and unlocking innovations we never thought possible. From factories to hospitals and even entire cities, digital twins are quietly reshaping the world around us in remarkable ways. Let's get started. Number 1. What exactly is a digital twin? A digital twin is more than just a computer model. It is a living, breathing, virtual copy of something in the real world. Whether it's a car engine, a building, or even an entire city, a digital twin mirrors its real counterpart in real time. Sensors and IoT devices constantly feed data into the twin, keeping it updated with every change. This is different from a basic simulation, which stays fixed once created. Digital twins reflect reality as it happens, making them far more accurate and useful. By linking the physical and digital worlds, they give us the power to test, predict, and optimize almost anything, without the risks, costs, or limitations of traditional trial and error methods. Number 2. How do digital twins actually work? The process begins with sensors installed on physical objects. These sensors capture data such as speed, pressure, temperature, or usage patterns. Next, this information is transmitted to powerful software systems, usually through cloud platforms or edge computing devices. The software then builds a detailed digital replica that continuously updates itself as new data comes in. Artificial intelligence and machine learning analyze this steady stream of data, uncovering hidden patterns or potential problems. The cycle is ongoing. The physical object informs the digital twin, and the digital twin provides insights back to the physical world. This two-way relationship means issues can be detected early, improvements can be tested virtually, and smarter decisions can be made faster than ever before. Number 3. Why digital twins are changing the world. The reason digital twins are considered revolutionary is simple. They solve problems before they happen. Instead of waiting for machines to break down, digital twins identify warning signs in advance, allowing for predictive maintenance. This saves time, money, and prevents costly disruptions. They also reduce waste by replacing multiple prototypes with one powerful virtual model. For businesses, this means faster development cycles and more reliable outcomes. Beyond efficiency, digital twins foster creativity by giving companies the freedom to test bold ideas in safe, virtual environments. They also support better decision-making by revealing insights hidden in massive amounts of data. In essence, digital twins help industries become proactive instead of reactive, creating smarter solutions for challenges across the world. Number 4. Digital twins in manufacturing. Manufacturing is one of the industries where digital twins shine brightest. Machines in factories must run smoothly, and even short downtimes can cost millions. By creating digital replicas of equipment, companies can predict when a machine might fail and perform maintenance before it breaks down. Digital twins also allow engineers to simulate new designs for products, testing them virtually under different conditions before committing to production. This reduces waste and speeds up innovation. Supply chains also benefit from digital twins, as they can simulate delays, resource shortages, and customer demands with greater accuracy. Companies like Siemens and General Electric are already using digital twins to improve productivity, cut costs, and keep factories efficient. It's the future of smart manufacturing. Number 5. Digital twins in construction and infrastructure. The construction industry has embraced digital twins to avoid costly mistakes and improve safety. Architects and engineers use them to test how buildings, bridges, and tunnels will behave under real conditions such as heavy loads, weather, or earthquakes. This ensures safer and more durable structures before they are even built. Entire cities are also using digital twins for infrastructure planning. Singapore, for example, has created a digital twin of the entire city to monitor traffic, energy use, and future development. This helps planners make decisions that reduce congestion, pollution, and risks. By simulating decades of use, digital twins ensure buildings and infrastructure remain strong, efficient, and adaptable. Ultimately, they reduce costs, prevent accidents, and create smarter urban environments. Number 6. Digital twins in healthcare. Healthcare is transforming with the help of digital twins. Scientists and doctors are creating virtual models of human organs, such as the heart or brain, to better understand how treatments will work. Instead of relying only on trial and error in real patients, doctors can test new methods in a digital twin first, making treatments safer and more effective. Pharmaceutical companies also use twins to predict how new drugs might behave in the body, speeding up research and lowering costs. Personalized medicine is another breakthrough, where a twin of a specific patient is created using their health data. This allows doctors to test treatments virtually before applying them in real life, leading to safer, customized care. The result is healthier, longer lives. Number 7. Digital twins in energy and sustainability. The energy industry faces the challenge of meeting global demand while cutting emissions, and digital twins are playing a crucial role. By creating replicas of wind turbines, solar farms, or entire power grids, companies can monitor performance in real time and predict issues before breakdowns occur. A digital twin of a wind turbine, for example, can forecast maintenance needs, reducing costly downtime. Utilities also use them to balance supply and demand, making renewable energy more reliable. Beyond efficiency, this technology supports sustainability by lowering waste and emissions. Digital twins are helping energy providers deliver cleaner, smarter, and more resilient systems. Number 8. Digital twins and smart cities. Modern cities face growing challenges, from traffic congestion to rising energy demands. Digital twins provide a solution by creating virtual models of entire cities, allowing planners to test policies before making real changes. For example, they can simulate how new bus routes or bike lanes will affect traffic flow, or how certain strategies might reduce pollution. They're also vital for disaster planning, predicting the impact of floods, fires, or earthquakes. Cities like Singapore, London, and Shanghai are leading the way, using digital twins to become safer, greener, and more efficient. This technology is paving the path for truly smart cities. Number 9. The role of AI and big data in digital twins. Artificial intelligence and big data are the engines that make digital twins so powerful. Sensors constantly collect massive amounts of information, and AI analyzes it to identify patterns, predict outcomes, and suggest improvements. Big data platforms store and organize this flow, making it usable and accessible. The more data a twin receives, the more accurate and intelligent it becomes. This allows digital twins to evolve, learning and adapting over time instead of remaining static models. Without AI and big data, they would be little more than advanced blueprints. With them, digital twins become intelligent, predictive partners, shaping decisions and driving future innovation. Number 10. Ethical challenges and the future of digital twins. While digital twins bring enormous benefits, they also introduce serious ethical and security concerns. Using personal health data to build medical twins raises privacy issues, while citywide twins could become targets for hackers. Another challenge is control. As digital twins grow smarter, humans must remain the ultimate decision makers. Despite these risks, the potential is incredible. Digital twins could help fight climate change, improve healthcare, and even guide space exploration. The future depends on balancing innovation with responsibility, ensuring these tools remain safe and ethical. Used wisely, digital twins could become one of the century's most transformative technologies. Digital twins are far more than digital models. They're powerful tools reshaping industries, healthcare, and even our cities. By predicting problems, improving efficiency, and driving innovation, they are quietly changing the world in extraordinary ways. As this technology grows, it offers endless opportunities for a smarter, safer, and more sustainable future. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and inspired.